Dear students, today I am starting a new chapter, that is shapes. But before starting shapes, you should be thorough with the concept of point, line, line segment and ray. So first of all, I am explaining you point. Okay, a dot represents a point. So simple dot, I have marked this. Okay, so this is only my point. It can be named by capital letters. That is, I can give name to this dot like capital A I am giving. So this is my point A. This is my point A. Okay, one more dot here I am marking and I can give name to it, that is capital B. You can give any name, P, Q, R, S, any name you can give. So in this way, this is my point B. So what is a point? A dot represents a point. It can be named by capital letters. So here I have marked two dots and these are my points. I have given name to them, that is capital A and capital B. So this is my point A and this is my point B. Fine. Point has no length and no breadth. Now I will explain you line. See beta, what I am doing? I have marked here so many points. And when I will join these points, I will get a line. That is, line is a collection of points. Line is a collection of points. That is, when we join so many points, we get a line. Now, you can see here, this line has no end point. Has no end point means it can be extended. See, I am extending this line in here. I can extend this line in this direction also. That means line has no end point. Since it has no end point, it means that it can be extended in this direction as well as in this direction endlessly. What is the meaning of endlessly? Means as much as I want, I can extend the line in both the directions. Okay? So line can be extended in both the directions. So this is my line. And since I can extend, so I will put a arrow. These arrow indicate that this particular line can be extended in both the directions. And suppose I mark here two special points, capital A, capital B. So what is this? This is my line AB. But these two arrows indicates that this particular line can be extended in both the directions endlessly. Line has no fixed length. Line has no fixed length. It has indefinite length. Line has indefinite length. That is, it can be extended in both the directions and line has no end point. Fine? You understood what is a line? Now, see beta, this is my line. Suppose one more point I am marking here, that is capital C. And if I cut this line from the middle, what I will be getting? This point is C. From the middle itself I have cut. What is this? This is my ray. This is my ray, and this is also my ray. Now you can see that this C is the end point of this ray. Why? Because this ray cannot be extended in the direction of C. It can be extended only in the direction of B. Why? Because this arrow, in this direction we are having an arrow. This arrow indicates that this particular ray can be extended in the direction of B. Same way, this ray can be extended in the direction of A. Fine. This ray has one end point. Same way, this ray is also having one end point. So what is the name of this ray? Ray CB. I cannot write ray BC. I cannot write ray BC. Why? Because C is the end point. This ray is not extending in this direction. This ray is extending in the direction of B. So its name will be ray CB. Same way, name of this ray will be CA and not AC. Okay. So ray has one end point. Ray has one end point. Yes? Now, again, I am having a line here. Now, suppose I take a portion of the line. That is, this much portion only I am taking. Now, you can see that we are not having arrow in either of the direction. We are not having arrow. Okay. So, what is this? This is my line segment. And what is the name of this line segment? AB. That means line segment is a part of line. And it has two end points. You can see it has two end points. This line segment is not having arrow. It is having two end points. So line segment has two end points. Or we can say line segment has fixed length. Yes, and line segment is a part of line only. It is a portion of line itself. So I hope you understood what is a point, what is line, line segment and ray. So how you will identify if all the three are given together? See beta. What is this? This is my ray PQ. Why? Because it has one end point and it can be extended in the direction of Q. What is this? This is my line CD. How I know that this is a line? Because it is having arrows. Yes, it can be extended in both the directions, and line is only the one which can be extended in both the directions. Yes. Now, what is this? Oh, again I have drawn ray only. Sorry. What is this? This is my line segment. And what is the name of line segment? EF. EF. So in this way, this is my ray, this is my line, and this is my line segment. I hope you understood. Thank you.